The many hands on your intimate data. Lots of mobile phone apps are designed to support your sexual and reproductive health. They attract hundreds of millions of users. What do they learn about you? And how do they use your data? Tens of these apps retain data about intimate and personal lives, from tracking menstrual cycles and fertility control through to pregnancy monitoring. They claim to have you covered. All these apps need a lot of personal information to fulfill their promises. Some of it can be extracted directly from the device, using its various sensors and settings. Some need to be added by the users themselves, by describing their feelings or answering personal and specific questions like when, what, or how. Tactical Tech collaborated with the researchers from the behavioural project, who dove into details of the terms and conditions and permissions of the various apps that require users' consent. Some apps were very privacy-friendly. Others require much more data than they would ever need for their services to work. What they also discovered is that users don't pay enough attention to all these details because nobody does. Where is the I agree button? Users usually don't realize that by allowing certain permissions, they are consenting to the collection of their personal data and the sharing of that data with third parties. Detailed profiling of their users is vital for companies to monetize their users' data. Their free or low-cost services are subsidized by selling access to owned users' profiles or by directly selling them to data brokers. Most period tracking apps admit to sharing the data they collect for research purposes, including location and contact details. Pregnancy apps help track different stages of woman's pregnancy and collect a lot of information about her daily activities. Collecting such data might make assumptions about unwanted pregnancies and reproductive decisions. Dating apps analyze usage patterns. Together with data from other apps, these patterns can give a pretty good indication of someone's relationship status as well as their dating activity. These apps can also gain insights into women's intimate lives, including recording their emotions, moods, sexual activity, and making predictions about their future feelings and behaviors. This data can be used to improve targeted advertising, but also to create detailed personal profiles that can be used for other things, such as political or behavioural influencing. Would you share such detailed, intimate profile with your friends? With your health insurance? Or would you like your colleagues to analyze this data for you?